Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be carving up a kingfisher. This is the first time I'll ever be carving one, and I carved this as a custom order for someone for a Christmas gift back in 2019. I know that wasn't that long ago, but I'm finally able to get around, edit the footage, and get the video out now that I definitely know the customer received the gift. The only problem is I'm missing some of the footage as it's been so long. I've been trying to hold on to it, and I did the recording on my phone, and I think the first portion blocking out that carving and talking about it got deleted, which is a huge bummer. So right after my quick intro segment, we're going to get right into carving, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. It really was just a quick carve, a little bit of detail, nothing super crazy, just something different, you know. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it. This is the belted kingfisher. This is as far as I'm going on this project. This is a custom order Christmas gift for someone. Now that it's after Christmas, I can post the video. As you guys can see, we used a lot of different tools in creating this piece, between the battery powered chainsaw, my arbor tech, my saber tooth bits, a die grinder. I also used a torch, which I didn't video, but I torched them up real quick. That was the turbo torch. You guys can find links to all those things below in the description. Hit that arrow, drops down. Those will all be Amazon links. You guys make purchases through those links. They help support the channel. If you guys have been watching for a while and you want to help support this channel even more in a little more direct, personable kind of way, you can check out my Patreon account. That'll also be below, and it might pop up right here. You guys can go there, see what that's all about, and you're able to help support me on a more personal level. So this is it. This is my first kingfisher, belted kingfisher that is. Might do another one like this. Next time maybe we'll add some color, bust out the airbrush. That'll probably be in the summertime. I know I've still got a list of some other carvings you guys want to see. If there's something you want to see me carve that I haven't already done, or maybe you want to see it in a different style, comment below. Tell me what it is. What do you guys want to see me carve? And we'll put that on the you asked for it section, and get that video going. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. This was really fun. Remember, if you're new to carving, just go for it. People will buy anything. Even if you try to carve this and it looks nothing like it, it's okay. Just give it your best shot. Do what you can. Finish the piece. Make some sawdust. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I will see you next time.